Go rides. Today we have a 2011 Jeep Wrangler in the shop. We're re-gearing it. We have the re-gear set right here. As you can see, we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this bad boy, re-gearing it. So basically what's going on with this one is the customer wants to re-gear it. He wants to up these tire sizes, wants to put larger tires on, so he's re-gearing it, front and the back. So he brought it to us. We're gonna knock it out. But there's a little bit of a problem. As you can see on these gears, you have a lot of teeth that are chewed up. You have mangled teeth in there. We're gonna have to stop what we're doing, call the customer and let him know that we're probably gonna have to order more parts for this. Not a problem, we'll get it done like we always do at Ringo Rides. So stay tuned as we re-gear this. I'm gonna give you more updates on that, let you see what was going on with it as the process goes, and follow along.
You see that car? That's Ringo rolling.